My dad legit got the hiccups and it sounds so weird. And I can hear it through my vent. Listen. Must have stopped. Nope, never mind. Go on, do it one more time. Got the hiccups there, Dad? I can hear you through my vent. I can hear you. I don't think you can hear me. I don't know why I find this funny. Okay, that's enough for now.